Hey, what's up? It's James here, and I'm going to be doing some FIFA 15. Let's go, boys. I'm not super rich right now. Nope. Just getting these out of the way. What kind of packs are in the stock right now? Ooh, mega packs. Here we go. And it's, Rooney. I will take it. Actually, that's not bad at all. Better than what you get in a rare players pack sometimes, is the truth. Transferee. And on to the next one. No. Nobody wants that. Diego Costa. Next up is... Oh, come on. Oh, go die. For real? For real. Like, that's what you're going to give me in your little pack. Jesus Christ. Team of the week, Aurier. That is doable right there. I will take that any day of the week. There you go. Oh, nice. Nice. Loading. Sorry, it's being annoying. What? Oh, not right now. Wait, did it save? Oh my god. Wait, my team of the week. My beautiful team of the week. Oh, it's probably just on new items, right? City I live in, city of angels. Alright, so we're okay. We got our players. I don't ever wanna be. Oh my god. What the hell? This is really annoying. I want to open packs. FIFA. I'm sorry about this. It'll start working when the tape is going. Okay. Come on. Before it loads too much. Okay. Here we go. Company. He ain't Messi, but I'll take him any day. And Thierry Henry, the greatest soccer player of all time. No! Piece of crap. Come on. Seriously? There's so much Wi-Fi here. Just gonna do this between every single pack. Great. Just great. Oh, come on. For real? An 81? It's not so OP. Yes! No! No way! No way! What a pack! No! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! What a pack! What a pack! Team of the Week, Aubameyang and Wilfred Boney, man of the match! Yes! Yes! Oh no! Oh my lord! It's gonna be hard to top that. 2 unbelievably OP players. Jesus. Oh, and it's transferred Eto'o. Oh my god. I cannot believe what just happened. And then we get a good Carlos Tevez, strong, powerful striker. He's got quite the foot stuff going on there. Oh my god. Team of the Week, Aubameyang, and Man of the Match, Boney. Bravo. Don't love that. I like Bravo's goalkeeping, but I don't. I'm a little past that at this point in my FIFA club career. Next. Buffon. I love him so much. But he's not very high rated anymore, is he? No! 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 Yes! This is the greatest pack opening ever! This is the greatest pack opening ever! Ibra! No. No. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god, we're gonna end it there.